Alright guys, this is S.O.H radio station from China. I will post the link to the video. The local time right now is 8:14, and this is on 11.715 on the DX200 here this morning. So not bad, and a good signal too. It sounds better on here than even on my X5105 with the end-fed antenna, so that's pretty cool. So once again, this is S.O.H, which is the name of the station, I guess. I just looked it up quickly. But what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the video. And once again, this is on the old DX200 realistic radio, 11.715, and it's picking up extremely well. I'm pretty impressed with how well these receivers still work, honestly. So. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is Fred, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcraft and Outdoors in Thunder Bay, Ontario, YQT. Stay safe, have a great weekend, and remember, watch out for the other guy, because the other guy may not be watching out for you. 7-3 folks, take care.